Hey guys, what's up? Welcoming to my YouTube channel. Hope all are you doing great. In this video, I will give surprise to everyone. By seeing the screen only, you are guessing something, right? Yes, your guess is correct. From today onwards, I am coming with the most useful series, that is C Sharp for beginners. In this series, I will teach C Sharp from beginner level. And one more thing, like I will tell only most useful repeating topics. Those topics are useful everywhere. If you want remaining also, please comment below. According to those comments, I will do. And make sure that in just 20 to 25 videos, I will tell all useful content. If you know Python, Java or C, at least any programming language, then it is too easy to learn. Otherwise, don't worry, I will tell all. If you do practice, then automatically it will come. If we do practice, we can achieve anything, right? Yes. At the end of this series, you can code any A placement familiar coding questions in C Sharp, as well as you learn C Sharp at least basic to medium level. So, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more useful videos and also share my YouTube videos to your friends and all because for them also it is useful, right? Yes. That's it for now. Stay tuned for first episode of C Sharp. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.